Hello and welcome to my channel, Savvy Selena. I'm Selena and I'm so thankful to have you here. Today I'll be showing you how I meal plan for my family of 5 to keep us on top of our $600 a month grocery budget. Now if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, hit that like and subscribe button below. If you're feeling friendly in the comments, say hello. Now, let's get into the video. I'm going to jump right in for my August 2021 monthly meal plan. I'm using a monthly calendar that I found off of Google and printed right at home. One thing I'd like to point out about this calendar is that I did choose a calendar that had a Monday start with my weekends grouped together. That allows me to start each week fresh. I like to write my meal plan on a printable monthly calendar and stick this plan right on the fridge. By putting the meal plan on the fridge, it reduces the number of times I'm asked what's for dinner. It also increases the mealtime partnership that my husband and I have because he's able to see what's for dinner, take it out of the freezer, and prepare without asking me any questions. We have been meal planning this way for about 2 years, and I can tell you that having dinner figured out in advance adds so much ease and organization to our lives. I'm going to go ahead and fill in the meals I have planned for this month, and then I'll come back and walk you through it. Filled in my meals for the month. I'm going to just talk through them. I'm filming this today on Sunday, August the 8th. And so we've already had these meals. We had pizza last night as we went back to school shopping with the kids. And tonight we're gonna have some air fryer pork chops, cauliflower, carrots, and some roasted red potatoes. And as you can see, throughout this meal plan, I leave a space after every meal, and that's for leftovers. We do cook enough for leftovers so that we're not really cooking more than 3 times a week. That is the goal. And so there'll be leftovers for me for us to have tomorrow night. And then on Tuesday, we will go on a date, my husband and myself. And during this week, the kids will be with their mom. And so we'll go on a date night. We do date nights on Tuesday because the movie theater used to have I think like half off tickets and half off popcorn. Right now they're only doing the half off popcorn, but we do do our date nights on Tuesday still to support the movie theaters because we love the movie theaters. And then on Wednesday we'll have air fryer chicken with cabbage and mashed potatoes. And on Friday, I'm actually traveling out of town to go to a dinner. And so we'll just have a fend for yourself night where my husband can just make whatever he wants for dinner. On Saturday, we're gonna have a shrimp pasta with asparagus, and that should carry us over till Sunday. On Monday, when the kids arrive back from their moms, we're gonna have oven-baked orange chicken with fried rice. It'll be a vegetable fried rice. I put fried here because it's actually just it's steamed rice, and then we just throw some soy sauce on it. On Wednesday, we're gonna have tacos with corn and zucchini, and on Friday, we'll have some grilled curry chicken. We have chicken thighs and chicken quarters. I'll let my husband decide which one he wants to make. And then we'll have green beans and potato wedges with those. And then on Sunday, we'll have shrimp and broccoli Alfredo. It's one of the kids' favorite. They actually like shrimp and chicken Alfredo. I don't foresee myself at this time putting chicken in it, but who knows, because that's their favorite, shrimp and chicken. And then that should carry us over until Monday. Again, on Tuesday, we'll have another date night at the movie theaters. And we'll also grab something on the way home for dinner. And on Wednesday, the 25th, we'll have stuffed chicken breast. And it's gonna be like a spinach and cream cheese stuffed chicken breast with cauliflower and sweet potatoes. And then that Friday, we will eat out again and just enjoy whatever we like that Friday. I try not to cook on Fridays, as you can see, and that's the theme. I learned that from my mom, and so we'll be eating out this Friday, the 27th. On Sunday the 29th, I'm gonna make a pork and broccoli stir fry, and only me and my husband will be here that Sunday, but that following Monday, the kids will return, and then we'll finish that up for dinner on Monday. And on Tuesday, we'll have a meatloaf. It's my son's favorite. We'll have mashed potatoes, maybe corn. I'm not quite sure what the side is gonna be. I'm gonna have to look and see what my sides are at this point, but I put loads and loads of veggies in my meatloaf, so I'm not really too concerned about them just having corn as a side. And that will get us to the end of the month, and then we'll plan for September when that time comes. So this is a final look at our August 2021 meal plan. Almost all of this is already shopped for. I did a grocery pickup yesterday, my husband did. So I have everything that I need for these meals. The only thing left I have to pick up is like fresh produce or milk or dairy throughout the weeks. But right now, we should be good to go on all of these meals. Everything's already in the house, and I don't see any issues with us staying on plan for the month of August. So this is the end of our August meal plan. Thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time, see you later.